So today we're going to be converting our pounds to tons and our tons back to pounds. But unlike the other videos on this channel that we've done so far, in which we've covered unit conversions for distances, today these are going to be unit conversions for weight. However, the process is still the same. We want to start with the same exact first step, which is to find our basic unit conversion for these exercises. So we're going from pounds to tons, and of course from tons back to pounds. That means we need to know one question. How many pounds are in a single ton? So 1 ton, T is going to be the abbreviation or shorthand for ton, is going to be 2,000 pounds. So LBS, pounds. So 1 ton is going to be 2,000 pounds. This is going to be our basic unit conversion for these exercises. With this, we can go from pounds to tons and tons back to pounds. So let's say let's start with a very easy one. 4,000 pounds, and we want to know how many tons do we have? Well, each ton is going to be 2,000 pounds, and we have 4,000 pounds. So we want to know how many groups of 2,000 do we get from this 4,000? That tells you want to divide. We're going to divide our 4,000 by this 2,000 to see how many groups make up that 4,000. Now, this may be pretty obvious, but the steps are all going to be the same. Once you do the division, you see it's just going to be 2, which means we have 2 tons when we have 4,000 pounds. You're dividing your total number of pounds you have here by the 2,000 pounds in your basic unit conversion. Let's look at a slightly more complicated one. Let's say instead of 4,000 pounds, we have 38,000 pounds, and we want to know how many tons do we have when we have this amount? Well, once again, how many groups of 2,000 do we get out of 38,000? In order to find that answer out, we have to divide 38,000 by our 2,000. And by doing that, you're going to get 19. That means that when you have 38,000 pounds, that's going to be equivalent or equal to 19 tons. All we want to do is take our total number of pounds we have and divide it by the 2,000 in our basic unit conversion. That's how we're going to convert our pounds to tons. Now that we've done this step, let's go and convert our tons back to pounds. Now we're going to convert our tons back to pounds, but we're going to be using our basic unit conversion like we always do. So in this first example, we have 29 tons, and we want to know how many pounds do we have when we have this many tons. Well, our basic unit conversion tells us that every ton is going to be 2,000 pounds. We have 29 of these tons, so that's going to be 29 times this amount here. So we're going to do some multiplication. So it's going to be 29 times 2,000. And when we do 29 times 2,000, we're going to get 58,000. That lets us know that when we have 29 tons, we're going to have 58,000 pounds. Each ton is 2,000 pounds. We have 29 of them. Do 29 times 2,000 to get your total number of pounds. Multiplying our total number of tons by 2,000 pounds gives you how many pounds you have now. Let's look at one more example. Instead of 29 tons, let's say we have 38 tons. How many pounds do we have when we have 38 tons? We're going to do the same exact thing. 38 times this amount because each ton is 2,000 pounds. So 38 times 2,000, and when we do that, we get 76,000. That means when we have 38 tons, we're going to have 76,000 pounds. So when you're converting your tons to pounds, you want to take your total number of tons and multiply by this 2,000. However, when you're going from pounds to tons, like we did in our previous section, you want to take your total number of pounds and divide it by that same 2,000. And if you were unaware, you can get a little hint of that with our basic unit conversion by looking at the numbers here. Notice the number attached to your T and the number attached to your pounds here are very, very different. One's really small and the other one is really big. So when you're going from tons to pounds, you're going from a small number to a big number. And when I think about that, I'm not thinking division, I'm thinking more multiplication. So when I need to go from tons to pound, I need to multiply something. If you're trying to remember which one you do which, that might help. Likewise, if you're going from pounds to tons, notice you're going from a bigger number to a smaller number. I'm thinking division in that case. I need to divide because division gives me a smaller number when I think about it. So looking at your basic unit conversion can kind of help you remember that when you're going from tons to pounds, multiply. However, when you're going from pounds to tons, divide. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. And if you did, be sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. See you again next week.